All right, we're going to walk you through how to get Sphere on your new desktops as a workaround right now until the actual Sphere app gets installed. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go and hit Chrome. A few things, if you don't have Chrome already, you're just going to open up your Microsoft Edge browser and you're going to just type in download Chrome up here. And what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to go ahead and click on this, download Chrome, and you're going to accept install. And what it's going to do is going to have the run option, hit run. I already have it installed, but once you hit run, it's going to try to install, and then it's going to actually ask you to if you have administrator access. Of course, you don't right now. So you're going to basically hit not the OK button or the accept, trying to put that thing in, but you're going to basically cancel out of that. Another window is going to come up that's going to ask you if you want to install the non-admin version. Click yes, and you'll have Chrome installed on your browser. Once you have Chrome installed, you're going to go ahead and you're going to open up Chrome. All right. Default for Chrome is you're going to end up having no bookmarks and you're going to have no home button. So how we're going to get to that is we're going to click over here on the three dots. You're going to go down to Settings, Appearance, and you're going to turn on your home button and you're going to turn on your bookmarks button. Why that's important is you're going to get this little apps function up here in the upper left. You're going to need that to actually activate Chrome version of Sphere, which is nice. Once that's done, you can just exit out of that tab. And what I did is I made up a tiny URL shortcut for this. So we're just going to hit tinyurl.com/Sphere Lite. And I hit enter. That's going to get you to the Chrome Web Store, and you're going to get the Sphere Lite app. You're going to add to Chrome. Now, before you add that, you got to make sure you're doing one of two things. Check to see up here if you are logged in under your own personal email, or if you're going to be logged in under the district's. If you're logged under your Roseville Pride email, it's not going to let you do this. So you're going to need to go ahead and log into your own personal Gmail account or something like that. But once you're logged in, and again, how you do that, you're going to click on this, you're going to have to be able to log in. If you need more help, let me know later on. But once you're in, you're going to add this to Chrome. You're going to add the app. It's going to go through, and all of a sudden, it's going to pull up your app screen. Mine looks a little bit different because I've customized it, but you're going to get this Sphere Lite app. You're going to right-click on this. You're going to go create shortcuts. And it's going to say, do you want to create a shortcut to the desktop and start menu? Yes. Hit create. And what that does is you're not going to see anything right here, but if you minimize your window, you now have a nice little icon on your desktop. So all you need to do, even if you have Chrome closed out, which I'm going to go ahead and do, I'll just close out all my windows. What's nice now is if I hit Sphere Lite, it's going to pull up this window. It's going to automatically recognize your Elmo you have plugged in. You can maximize it, and you can do everything you need to do that's on your document camera. All right? You just hit close. You want to exit? Yes. And it's back on your desktop. Simple as that. So, if you need any more help, let me know. And I can send out an email. Again, Bob Smitka. So, rsmitka@roseville.k12.mi.us when you want to get a hold. All right. That's it.